Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your HTC Desire 20 Pro, for the first you have to go for your sound recorder. And right now if you want to start record sounds, you have to click right here, accept all of the permission. And right now the smartphone starts recording sounds. When you want to finish, you have to click here. And it's paused. Okay, so we have to click here to finish. And right now we can rename our record. Click save, and right now we can play it. Start recording sounds. When you want to finish. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!